Are you looking for the best sander for cabinets? In this video, we will break down the top 5 sanders for cabinet on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Porter Cable 7346 Random Orbit Sander. Porter Cable has a bunch of random orbital sanders, but I like this one the most because it's a basic tool, no frills, and does a great job. This one is durable, reliable, and you can't go wrong with this one. There are not a lot of bells and whistles to it, but there are some features that are neat. This one allows you to attach a shop vac and also gives you the option for the job site. The ergonomic design is something that you will love. It has a smaller head with a thin neck with a wider body. You can easily grab it from the top, or you can grab it by the neck. Both positions are very comfortable to hold. The fan is counterbalanced to reduce vibrations, and since it is evenly balanced, it does a great job at reducing fatigue. With a 100% ball-bearing construction, durability shouldn't be a concern. The trigger switch is sealed to keep out dust from getting in. At number 2. Makita BO5041D Handle Random Orbit Sander. If power is the most important feature to you, check out the Makita sander. This sander has a powerful 3-amp motor. We believe a great sander should do the work for you. A higher power motor means less time working. You'll get a smoother finish in less time. Along with the impressive 3-amp motor, the Makita sander has a variable speed control. The speed dial can be set anywhere from 4,000 to 12,000 OPM. That is a huge range for a sander. The adjustable speed is great because it allows you to use it on more delicate areas and big jobs. This tool is very comfortable and easy to use. Its ergonomic design has a rubberized palm grip. The comfortable grip makes it easy to work for long periods of time. It also has an adjustable front handle. This is great for reaching corners and other tight spaces. The random orbit action provides a smooth and even finish on flat or contoured surfaces. It is equipped with a pad brake to eliminate damage to the surface. It also uses a convenient hook and loop paper changing system. At number 3. Bosch GET756N Electric Orbital Sander. This random orbit sander comes with a dual mode. You can change the mode depending on the project you are working on. The first mode is the normal mode. People use this mode when dealing with normal cabinets and when I want a high quality finish. The second mode is the turbo one. That is mostly used for dealing with very old and rusted cabinets. The turbo mode is 5 times faster than the normal mode. The switching process is pretty easy. The Bosch GET75-6 features a powerful 7.5 amp variable speed motor. The first speed setting is 290 to 640 RPM and the second one is 3,300 to 7,300 OPM. It comes with an auxiliary handle that mounts on each side and it helps a lot with controlling the tool, especially when the tool is in turbo mode. This random orbit sander features a braking system that helps to get rid of the swirl marks. At number 4. SKIL 749202 Random Orbit Sander. The pressure indicator lights of this sander appear to work as advertised. Since low-power sanders can bog down from too much pressure, this is actually a pretty cool idea. The bottom pads accept universal orbital Velcro sandpaper without any issues. The dust collector bag is a hassle though. The tabs are flimsy. If you're not careful, you'll break them and be left with a useless bag. If replacement bags were available it wouldn't be as much of an issue, but SKIL doesn't seem to have any, at least none we could find. The bag itself is none too strong either. It rips and tears. At number 5. Makita BO4556 Finishing Sander. Makita BO4556 Sander is an example that quality tools can be available at an affordable price. It is launched by Makita, so the quality and performance are well assured. Its clamps are larger, so paper installing and uninstalling is easier with this model. This model is available as a bare tool and with a tool case. The one with the tool case has got better reviews. However, the pad is more suitable for a plain surface rather than contoured one, as it is a bit stiff. For applying on cabinets, it is a suitable sander with ultra lightweight. The dust collection process of this unit is satisfactory too. You can still invest in Makita sander because it is covered by a satisfaction guarantee.